Hello everyone, welcome back to Chim sneaker. And today I will bring to you the first time one of the very famous model from New Balance. Beside the 574, this is the 530 New Balance, which is one of the most famous and fashionable, in my opinion, from the New Balance running line. So, let me bring below for you to see. This is the first time I got this model also. Oh my god. Even though this colorway is a little bit hard to match with the clothes, but however, we can all see that how detailedly done of this sneaker. Oh my god, I love it so much. And this part, actually a very signature part of New Balance, which remind me of the most iconic model line of New Balance. I forgot the number, but I will put it here. So, with this model, let's check it out a little bit further. So, this model of New Balance, there are basically three parts. Firstly, we check the upper. The upper of this made from a very light mesh material. And you can see from here the line goes through the layer of mesh, and other parts are basically plastic stamping into the upper of the sneaker, and those details are made on the polished leather with two main colorway. First is the black with yellow, and other parts are made with like gold stamping. You can see that the sneakers look super shiny. Like beside the gold, it also has the silver, super shiny under the light of the sun. And at the heel of the sneaker, there is a little piece of fabric to hang the sneaker after you wash. And with this model, it's very like beloved by most of the New Balance fans because it looks super detailed and very fashionable, and to go with many types of different clothing. And the midsole, this midsole is made by plastic material with a lot of 3D stamping and detail into it. You can see from here very clear. And the outsole, because this is from the running line, so the outsole of this is feel kind of special compared to the normal New Balance 574, with many lines and edges which help the sneaker stick to the ground and be more stable whenever you run. And now we can see that on the tongue of the sneaker there is a sticker that say that NB running, and the laces of the sneaker are basically in the black colorway. And there are many like pieces of fabric to hold the laces to make you wear the shoe and feel better whenever you run. And now let's check out the inside of the sneaker, that is the insole. Let's see if the New Balance running have a special insole. Oh, unfortunately, it's just like a normal New Balance insole, and it's kind of stiff with plastic material, just like any other type of New Balance that I've got, just like the 474. Okay, so that's it, my review of New Balance 530. Hope you enjoy my video, and see you again in the next episode of Chim Sneaker. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.